Let me tell you about my thoughts on the Pamu Quiet Mini. In a nutshell, it's a fully equipped wireless earbuds which offers you a plethora of cutting-edge features and also delivers impressive sound performance, and it costs at a very reasonable price. Starting off with one of my most liked features of the Pamu Quiet Mini is the active noise cancellation. You can only use this feature if you download the Pamu application. Once you open the app, connect with the Pamu Quiet Mini. Also, one of the things that I'm fond of is it connects swiftly and smoothly to the smartphone. Once connected, this is where you have the ability to choose 3 different modes. The first mode is transparency. It's basically the normal mode and it lets you hear the outside noise. And I got flabbergasted when I turned on the ANC. It felt like it vacuumed all of the outside noise and blocks out the sound of the world around you at 80%. And the bass powers up and explodes. It's actually an amazing experience. Comparing to the other ANC earbuds, Pamu Quiet Mini has the highest negative decibels in the test data and the most affordable as well. Other active noise cancellation earphones cost at around $300 and this only cost at $69. The last mode is active noise cancellation off. It's like a passive noise reduction which cancels out a little bit of the outside sound. In this application, you can also see the battery life. The battery optimization of Pamu ensures up to 18 hours of playtime, so there's no need to charge every day. And based on my experience, the 18 hours of battery life is extremely convenient compared to the other earbuds that only has 6 to 8 hours of battery life. Moving on to the design, it fits perfectly in the ear. You don't need to worry if you do high intensity interval trainings or burpees or jogging. Pamu Quiet Mini hangs securely and comfortably. This weighs at 5.1 grams. It's pretty light. The earbuds design looks smart, slick, and stylish. Over here, you can see the light turn blue if connected. You can also pause, play, or change the music by clicking it. In the application, you have the power to customize if you want to change the music, use voice assistant, or change the modes. Thumbs ups for this feature for being flexible. This is the square round shaped case of Pamu Quiet Mini. It's also available in blue and meteorite black. On the back, you can find the Type-C charging port. Once charged, you can see the red light on the front. For every 10 minutes of charging, you can play 1 hour of music or call time. The packaging is hardbound cover and it's well designed. You can open it here on the right. And it comes along with a carry bag, Type-C USB cable, the earbuds and case, extra ear tips, and user manual. Okay, moving on to the sound. The Pamu Quiet Mini delivers exceptional sound performance, rich and deep bass, clear and full bright mid-range and treble. Overall good balance and dynamics. Pamu Quiet Mini is an excellent hi-fi earphones, not just for music, it's also perfect for business calls, watching movies or videos, or even playing games, as it has the most stable connection with low latency as 70 milliseconds, which means there is a very short delay. Other earphones has 150 milliseconds, which is very noticeable when watching a movie. You can fully enjoy the music and video synchronization. So if you are looking for an affordable wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation feature, this is right up your alley. Please find the links below the information section if you want to buy it. Thank you.